Wednesday with another video. But before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you're not subscribed to my channel already. And if you are subscribed, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Okay, we're gonna get into this unit brought to you by the company Megalook Hair. Of course, I'm gonna make sure to leave all the details down below in the description area. Let me make sure I get the box in all the way. Okay, looks like they got some new packaging. Don't worry, mine was a little beat up in transit. But don't worry about it because we just focus on what's in the box. I have not opened this up yet. So let's see what all comes in here. All right, so this is the box. Okay, I love the purple and yellow. And in the box, you get this little drawstring bag. Let's open it up. All right, so it looks like you get the company edge band, and then they included some lashes, an edge brush, and an HD wig cap. And then you get your unit right here. This is their Salon-Quality Bomb Funmi Curl 6-inch deep part wig. This one is in the length 26 inches. I know it looks a little bit short, but look at that bounce. Okay, the curls are definitely on point, okay? They say you want some curls, here you go. This is what your lace area looks like, all right? I don't see any combs on the side. Get this removable, adjustable elastic band. There is a comb in the back, which I appreciate because sometimes you need a little something extra. And then you have the silicone area for comfort. And then you do have your breathable cap. The lace area looks like, you can tell that they went in and bleached those knots. They also plucked out the hairline. You also get your pre-cut lace. You don't have to worry about cutting off any lace. I can already see I am gonna have to go in and tint this lace because it is going to be entirely too light for my skin. Of course, you guys know I love to use the tailoredcrowns brand. This is their lace overlay, and I love the color Almond because it blends and matches to my skin perfectly, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and spray the front of this lace before I try this on, just to go ahead and get that out of the way. Added the tint spray to the very front of the lace. It looks better already. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten up my straps. Now I do have a small head, and sometimes with Megalook, it fit or it's too big, okay? It's one of those. So hopefully this one fits me good. The cap don't look too big, but hey, I just got a small head and I just gotta deal with it. These curls, look at these curls, look at these curls. I feel like Shirley, Big temples in the building. All right, so this is on, and as far as the fit goes, like it is fitting up in this area really good. The back here is where the cap is bunching up at. So if you have a small head like me, I'm just letting you know. If you have a larger head, this is gonna fit you well because it's fitting all up in here. I love the fit right here. It's just, there's some extra cap going on. But let's go ahead and get into the hairline. The hairline on this is looking good. Now there is a little bit of lace that I am personally going to cut off. If you want to leave the excess lace on, it's totally up to you. But just like right in this area, you guys see when I lift my head up. When I lift my head down, can't really tell. But just right up in there, I'm gonna trim off just a very small amount. Not too much because not much is needed. They did a good job with plucking out the front of their hairline. And like I stated, the knots are very, very tiny. So you're not gonna have to worry about your knots exposing you or you're looking too crazy. This does come parted as a middle part already. However, if you wanna move this over, I'm not going to pull this hair too much, okay? Because I do not wanna mess up the big Shirleys. But I'm just going to give you like a little peek, okay? So yes, there is some extra parting. And of course, when I style this hair, if I do some other styles, then I am going to show you guys that you can move the parting space over. As far as this hair and the density, I can't really tell you much about the hair yet until I comb it out, but the density looks really good. I'm pretty sure it's going to look way more fuller once I comb it out. But the one thing I know about Megalook, when it comes to their density, they don't usually skimp you when it comes to the hair. It's really nice and full. So I'm very curious to see what this is going to look like once I comb everything out. But I'm gonna go ahead and get to working on this unit. We're gonna see what she looks like when she is all combed and fluffed and everything and prepped. And then of course I'll be back to show you guys the final looks and also to tell you guys my final thoughts. So this wasn't hard for me to install. I went in using my olive oil holding spray, and then I also went in using my olive oil mousse. I put that all around the hairline, and you've seen that it got a little bit darker, but that's okay because that was just that tint starting to work. And then I tied it down with the elastic band and I just let it dry. Everything dried down. I went ahead and hot combed the top of the unit because it was a little puffy in some areas. And then I used my wide tooth combs to comb out the curls. Now guys, I was being very, very careful when it came to combing out the curls because I didn't want it to become like super, super frizzy, but it didn't. I started at the bottom and then I kind of worked my way up to the top, and you can see how well these curls are looking. Even with me doing 3 different styles, I feel like the curls are still holding up very well. Now I didn't put serum on the hair until this style because I didn't want to have to keep doing that knowing that I was going to be moving the hair around. But I feel like it turned out good. I got a very minimal amount of shedding. I feel like the wide tooth comb kind of helped. And I really didn't get many snags, but because of how tight the curls are, I do expect just a little bit at the ends and maybe some in the nape area. Of course, once you wash this unit, the curls are going to fall. The hair is going to look different, but I'm sure you're probably going to get like a nice little body wave texture. The curls are so cute. Once I was done with the middle part, I was like, let me see what this is going to look like if I clip the hair up, leave a little bit of hair out in the front. And instead of the curls kind of like falling all over the place at the top, I decided to kind of bobby pin some of the hair in place to give the illusion of pin curls, but I really didn't do that. If the hair is curled, definitely helped to pass off the pin curl look, and it came out so pretty. Even towards the nape area, I feel like the cap wasn't showing too much, but if you are insecure about that, I would definitely probably just leave a little bit of hairs out, cut them a little bit shorter so it could look a little bit more natural. But I didn't have any issues with it looking crazy or funky in the back, even though I am getting a little bit of bunching in the cap area right here. I feel like because of the density of the hair and the curls, it's not showing. The last style, of course, is this side part, and I didn't curve my part, y'all. Y'all know I usually like to curve my part. Well, I feel like it's giving like a little bit of curve right here, but I didn't go in and curve my part. When I moved the hair over, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna do a flip over, but I think I recently did a flip over, so I was like, let me see what you know, adding a side part will do. And so I went in and just hot combed everything down, and then I added a little bit of mousse to kind of get this area to lay back down a little bit flatter towards the back. I added some powder into the parting space area to open it up a little bit more. I did tuck this, but it keeps coming out, and that's okay because I feel like either way it looks good. If you want the hair up out of your face and you want to tuck this, you know, you can because it is so thick. But if you don't and you want to give a little bit more glam, that is okay. Now, when I moved the hair over, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm probably going to have to recurl the front of this because of course it was over this way, but I didn't have to. I just used the Y2 comb back through it again, and then I added my serum, and the hair is still giving bye bye boom, okay? You can see on this is what it looks like now that it is kind of combed out. Of course, it's still going to be a little bit longer. I'm only 5'2", and this is what it looks like when I stretch it out. Okay, that's what it is looking like. So beware, okay? They do not play when it comes to the density, especially if you are going to get some length. This is a lot of hair, okay? So if you are not a fan of a lot of hair, you might want to check out some other styles on the website. Look at some bobs or something, because Miss Ma'am is gonna have to be tame. Which style was your favorite? 1, 2, or 3? If you are feeling this one, I am gonna make sure to leave all the links down below in the description area. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel once again, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time.